Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Josh on this blessed night. I'm out here with the G, putting some content out. It's a little chilly out here. I just washed her though. Yeah, midnight blue, it really pops, you know. Anyways, how y'all been? So I ain't really done nothing else to the G yet, but definitely trying to just keep her clean for the most part. I do have some other things I'm about to do. When I go ahead and update the channel with the next video, I'll probably try to have that done by then. But I got some Brembo brake kit that I'm gonna put on this junk for the front brakes and the rears. They originally came off, I believe, another sedan or a coupe. I got them for the low, so I'm gonna put them on here. I was thinking about repainting them, but I might just throw them on just for the time being and then repaint them. We'll see how it all works out. I paid about $600 for them, front and back. The original, the brakes kit I got on here now is good, but I just want a bigger I want a bigger brake kit for it. Plus Brembos are better to me. I like Brembos, just the name, it stands out and they hold their value well. They definitely hold their value well. Yeah, so we out here in the Fredericksburg area doing this video. It's a nice night for me and Midnight Blue. She definitely popping. I tell y'all, I've been blessed lately. I had some issues I was going through, but you know what? God works it all out. We on to bigger things, much bigger and better things. What doesn't kill you makes you stronger. You know the old saying, how that goes? Damn, these rays, they just looking so beautiful. Let me get a little close up on them, Josh. Things be clean. Anyways, yeah, like I was saying, God has really worked in mysterious ways. You know, you gotta have your faith. You really gotta have a strong faith, because if you don't, you falter. You fail. Because not believing. And I ain't trying to put my relationship with God out here on y'all, but yeah, I'm a believer. He has done miraculous things in my life. This G is one of them. He blessed me to get it this way. Money didn't fall from the sky. He blessed me to get the job that I needed to pay for the parts and everything for this car. But yeah, you know, y'all can ask me some questions about the G if you want. I know I tend to like throw videos up, short videos and stuff like that, doing a bunch of like here and there driving, just, you know, revs, a little bit of pulls here and there. But yeah, feel free definitely to ask questions about the G, because I mean, I don't mind answering them. It wasn't me to put this car together only by myself. I had friends, and you know, I just had a friend that just recently passed away. Shout out to him, it's Brandon Presson. Man, Brandon Avery Presson. He helped me with this G. He helped me get it to the way it is now. He gave me inspiration. He said I inspired him as well. You know, he passed at age 30. A lot of us don't live that long these days. This world is just getting crueler by the second. It's getting crueler, y'all. We gotta stick together. We gotta stick together. Have that bond, that love, family connection. All. Yeah, a few days I'll be 34 years old. God bless me to see that. God bless me to see that. Feel like I'm getting older, you know. I was told got some grays coming in on my chin hair, mustache. I'm like, you know, it's all good. I don't feel that much older. You know, I'm just blessed to be the age I am. Like I said, a lot of us don't make it to that. A lot of us don't. And we just got to keep a strong hold. Put your foot and don't be moved, you know, like the tree in the ground. You shall not be moved. You know, blessings on top of blessings. But I ain't trying to take up too much time, you know. Like I said, the Infinity is clean. But we're going to get some more parts on her. We're definitely going to get some more parts. Oh, she still got some water on her. I want to wash it, but, you know, that's whatever. So, this is how it looks at nighttime. I ain't do too much, just a little clean setup. You can see. Don't mind that light flashing on there. It's LED, but it's all good. It only flashes from time to time sometimes. So I never probably show y'all under the hood. I can do that. Give me a second. Alright, so as you can see, got my intake. This is a 75mm throttle body on there. That's where that work come in. I put the 1320 series for the performance because 1320 series test pipes on here. The engine bay need to be cleaned a little bit, I know. But yeah, I either updated with this hose. I made sure, you know, to get a thicker hose when it goes to the coolant, you know. It runs much finer with that. Then I threw this in there. I saw this on Instagram on somebody's G. And I was like, you know what, that look good on mine. So, I mean, you gotta represent Nissan and Infinity. Just, these are things, you know. Just a little minor thing. She always runs strong. Ain't no cops around. Do a little bit of. Can't do too much of that. I know y'all like those little pops. Yeah, I can't do too much of that, but you know, you get the point. She definitely likes to be revved. Angry little beast. So another thing, as you can see, this the kit I decided to put on here for the lip kit. how it goes all the way around. And all the way around. Shut the door. Yeah. All the way around. This lip kit is a real nice addition to this car, actually. I haven't seen too many other G's like this. So, just look at her. She's one of a kind, you know? All I can always say is make sure when you build your car, build it to the way you want. Don't let nobody else tell you how to build your car. I'm really serious when I say this. Do not let anybody tell you how to build your car. They can give you pointers, but at the end of the day, it's your car. It don't matter what you drive. It don't matter what you drive. Build it the way you want, because you're going to be satisfied at the end of the day with the way you wanted to build it. If you let anybody else tell you how to build your car, you're going to be just feeling like you're copying somebody and it's not really your own. That's how I felt when I was doing stuff certain people's way. So I take advice, but I still build my car the way I want. You can see that from my black Maxima that I posted a long time ago to this G. To also when I had my white 94 Nissan Maxima. Build it the way you want. You will be much happier. Much happier. But yeah, that concludes my video. I'm gonna go ahead and head on home. It's kind of getting a little late. I got work in the morning. All right, stay blessed. And I'm out. One love, YouTube.
Finally, I get some time on a day like this. Clear skies, about 65, 66 degrees. It's about to go down. The goal is to have the motor out today and in the garage. And I already sold out my garage so I can fit everything in. The main piece to the puzzle was gonna get me there and the old shit that's coming out. Can't get no straighter than that. Now I gotta get my tools out my truck and go get to work.